Hello and welcome to Philosophy 202 Introduction to Logic, the online version. Now, normally I teach this class in the fall and the winter, which are full-length semesters. But this time I'm teaching it in the summer, and it will be a little bit compressed. We will cover the same material though, so you may find that it's a little condensed, but you can do it. We will be using this textbook. You will need this textbook. If you haven't got this textbook, get it now. You have to have it. You have to read it, and you have to do exercises in it. There will be some chapters available initially through Blackboard for you to read, but you need to get that textbook. Okay, what's the structure of the course? Well, it's broken into 7 units, one for each week of the course, and each of those units, which you will see there they are, over there, you will see buttons 1 through 7 for each of the units. Each of these units represents about a week of work, and each of them culminates in a test that you should take by the end of that week. So, the time span for Unit 1 is June 27th to July 3rd. That means you have to finish taking the test for that unit by 11 p.m. on Tuesday, July 3rd. Then Unit 2 is July 4th to July 10th. Unit 3, July 11th to July 17th. Unit 4, July 18th to July 24th. Unit 5, July 25 to July 31st. Unit 6, August the 1st to August 7th. And Unit 7, August 8th to August 14th. Okay, so each of them has a quiz attached, a test. You can take the test twice. Make sure you should probably take one fairly early on in the week, give you some idea. That will tell you your score, but it won't tell you what questions you got wrong and so on. Then you can take it again. Don't assume you'll get the same questions, because a lot of the questions are chosen randomly, but it will give you some idea of what you're in for if you take it once. Make sure you submit your final version of the test by the deadline, 11 p.m. on the last day for that unit. Okay, each of those tests is worth 10% of your final grade, so 7 tests makes 70%. Then you will take a final. Your final, which I will finalize a little bit later, but it's almost certainly going to consist of 4 proofs. Now, we get to cover the materials on the proofs in the last few units, and there's no point in you kind of skipping ahead to them, because this class builds on itself. But that's essentially what the final will be. It will require you to actually write stuff out and photograph it and send me the results. We'll settle that closer to the time. So that will be worth 30% of your grade, and you will do that in the finals week, which is the week after Unit 7. So the final will be due by 11 p.m. on Monday, August the 20th. And I will provide a venue to submit that. Okay, each of the sections, the units, click around a bit on those units, and you will see that each of them comes with instructions, and then a series of lectures by me, and then the quiz at the bottom, the test for that unit. So do the reading, again, all in this textbook. Try some exercises. This textbook has an online course companion that will give you little quizzes to test your knowledge. I will provide the link to that as well in each unit. And that's it. I hope you will have fun. I hope you will find it entertaining as well as educational. If you're having any troubles, any problems you have, email me at simoncu, SIMONCU, at umflint.edu. So that's me, Simon Cushing, your professor for Introduction to Logic here in summer 2018. Good luck.